Hi, how are you? Today let's look at the difference between what is a point and what is a coordinate. Okay, so it says find the coordinates of point. Coordinates, look at the wordings. Find the coordinates of the point that satisfy 2x plus 3y equal to 1 and 3x plus 2y equal to 1. So fine, if this is a question, so what you can pick from here, because most of the students, they get this thing wrong. So coordinate is, you have a x coordinate and you have a y coordinate. So that is your coordinate, and the combination of x and y becomes your point. Just keep this in mind, because I have seen most of the students losing their point. If it says find the coordinates, they will find either x or they will find y, and they'll be like leaving their question, especially in calculus where the gradient or the derivative is there. So be sure. Let's say the question is, so now the question is, f of x is x square plus 2. So it's a parabola that has a gradient 2. Then the question says find the coordinates of the point that satisfy. So first of all, what do you want to do in these type of questions? You're gonna find your f dash x, that is your 2x, and then you want to equate it to the gradient. So the gradient becomes your right, you're gonna equate it, because this is your gradient, and you're gonna equate it to the given gradient. So you're gonna get your x is equal to 1. So at x coordinate, x is equal to 1, your gradient. But what is the question says? Coordinates of the point. So you got one coordinate. What about the other? You're gonna sub in the equation, and then you're gonna get the other coordinate. Okay, so hence what we can say, that what is a coordinate? So 1, 3 is the desired coordinate. Okay, even on the Cartesian plane, okay, let's understand it with this method. Even on the Cartesian plane, you have this axis. So you have your x-axis and then you have your y-axis, right? So this is your x, this is your x dash, this is your y dash, and this is your, so all the point is given in the form of x comma y. We say no, this is the point on the Cartesian plane, or 1, 2 is the point. 1, 2 is not the coordinate. Okay, 1 is the x coordinate, 1 is your x coordinate, okay, and 2 is the y coordinate. Can you pick this thing? As well as you, if you are acquainted with the terms dependent and independent, so x is your independent and that is coordinating with y. Okay, so x comes first, this is your independent, so I hope you understand the difference between a coordinates and a point. You need to read the question carefully, whether it's asking for coordinate or coordinates, point or points. So you can pick from the question itself and decode, okay, what they're looking forward to, and answer accordingly. I hope it helps. If it does, stay tuned, like, share and subscribe. See ya.